my brand new segment which is all about confessions, confessions and more confessions. This week I have Angie writing into me. He says,
Hi Sanya, I saw your last episode and I found the Confessions of a Shopaholic really interesting. I was really keen on writing into you. Well, I'm 24 years old and I'm a marketing executive. My part-time job is that of a DJ. Since I party a lot, I was hoping you could give me a few tips on what's in and what's out this season for guys, especially for clubbing. I feel there aren't much option as everything is quite repetitive. Can you suggest any particular looks, style that we can follow this season? Thank you, Angie.
well Angie, to answer your question, I have Shiv with me, who's a model and an actor. Hi Shiv, thank you so much for coming. As you know, my new segment is called Confessions of a Shopaholic, where we have a viewer write into us with a question. This week I have Angie, who's a part-time DJ, and he wants to know what are the in things to wear to a club.
Okay, well Angie, when it comes to what to wear to club, there is no hard and fast rule as such. And what kind of atmosphere you're going to get into and the kind of season. I'm sure even Sanya will agree with me. Well, when it comes to clubbing, I heard you're a DJ, so it's always nice to know what kind of atmosphere you're getting into, like what I said before. If it's a lounge bar, it's nice to wear a t-shirt and maybe you could wear a jacket on top of that to give that relaxed feeling. And if it's winter, you could probably wear a velvet jacket, and if it's summer, you could go with the linen jacket. But if it's a kind of club where it's a dance club as such, then I think more of a relaxed outfit would probably be more right or apt to that kind of atmosphere it is. Nowadays, the cartoon t-shirts like what I'm wearing now, right now, is quite in trend when it comes to dance clubs and all that, thanks to movies like Wake Up Sid, which has popularized this trend of wearing cartoon t-shirts. And when you go to a dance club, it's nice to wear something like a little bit of bling work on your t-shirt. It could be like Ed Hardy. They got like pretty good t-shirts where you have sequence work on them. It's not too much of bling though, but a little bit of sequence work is really nice and looks trendy. And yeah, faded jeans, t-shirts, and since you're a DJ, I think you could even carry off a vest really well. And whatever you're wearing to a club, don't forget to wear one thing, Angie, and that's your attitude and a cool one.
If you want it, baby girl, if you want what I got, man, you know how I keep it high. That's how I get when you make.
So there you go. I hope that helps you, Angie. Moving on, I have some very interesting designers all the way from Pakistan showcasing their work at Studio Sax. Let's check it out.
Make it pop, nah. Let's make it pop. The jeans be sagging, but the hat can't fit it. The looks.
Pakistani and Indian sensibilities are almost identical, well, at least when it comes to silhouettes, embellishments and color palette. All the way from Pakistan, designer Sana and Safina's collection made a debut at Studio Sax in Chennai.
Studio Casa Frontera. Break it down one time.
The collection was a vibrant mix of colors, prints and textures. So if you love color and love to dress up, this collection is definitely worth a check.
The designs this season are very flowy. The embellishments are heavier than what we normally do. For day wear, for example, there's a lot of embroidery. We feel that now the silhouettes are changing. They're not that fitted anymore. They're much looser, their cuts are looser, and that's more comfortable for people these days. So I think styles are changing. The designs that we brought into Chennai, they're again flowy, long, the lengths are long, and there's a lot of use of embroidery, there's a lot of use of different patterns, all mixed together. You're not going to see one outfit with the same pattern throughout the entire outfit.
That's all for this episode. Do send in your feedback at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com, and don't forget to make your little confession. Stay tuned because there's more coming up next.